Dr. Ranganathan.
Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Let me quote someone. Quote, I dislike any kind of reservation, more particularly in service. I react strongly against anything which leads to inefficiency and second-rate standards. I want my country to be a first-class country in everything. The moment we encourage the second rate, we are lost. If we go in for reservations on a communal and caste basis, we swamp the bright and able people and remain second or third rate. The only real way to help a backward group is to give opportunities of good education. Help should be given on economic consideration and not on caste, unquote. Who said this? Chachaji Jawaharlal Nehru on June 27, 1961. But it is not about exposing the hypocrisy of the Congress. Pranesh, I am afraid out here, if you permit me, I want to expose the hypocrisy that is prevalent not only across this panel tonight, but across the entire country, cutting across party lines. Now my good friend Nikhil Jain says, look, space is a niche area. I don't agree with Mr. Udit Raj when he says that there should be a representation or quota or whatever. First of all, when you say we are not talking of quota, reservation, we're talking of representation, you are being contradictory. Because if you want a representation, then based on merit, representation would come automatically. If the representation has to come, then it can only come through quota. So please understand, don't try and muddle up stuff. But the hypocrisy of Nikhil Jain to consider space science as niche, but not higher judiciary as niche. So when you talk of a moral obligation for a quota or a reservation, why are you excluding judiciary? Why are the judges who want quota in everything, but not in higher judiciary? Why is, for example, when BJP says and agrees, when everyone says that Rahul Gandhi is absolutely wrong when he says reservation or, merit is a flawed concept, the BJP also believes it. Otherwise, why tell me, why does the BJP and the government have reservation in neurosurgery? Why does it have reservation in biochemistry, in computer science? Are those subjects and are those people who are meritorious in those any less than space scientists? So hypocrisy की बात ना करें. सब शीशे के घरों में रह रहे हैं. एक पत्थर आएगा, सारे घर टूट जाएंगे. The point of the matter is that Udit Raj is saying what he is saying because people like us have started believing in Rahul Gandhi that merit is a flawed concept because he is not meritorious. वो जुपिटर से आए हुए हैं, पता नहीं कोटा से आए, रिजर्वेशन से, वो सोचते हैं हर कोई ऐसा आना चाहिए. लेकिन बीजेपी की भी hypocrisy expose करो. Otherwise, tell me, my good friend who's there on the panel, BJP spokesperson, does he believe that neurosurgery is any less of a domain expertise than space science? So when he is against space science having quota, why is he accepting quota in neurosurgery or biochemistry?
Okay, that's the larger point. We'll get to that. Syed Asad Abbas, 1 minute. Sir, there are people who haven't spoken. Ratan Sharda ji hasn't spoken. Ravi Srivastav. Nikhil, calm down. 1 minute. You are ready with another printout. Your problem with Nikhil Jain is that when people appear on debates, they have a pen and paper. Nikhil comes with a printer. He keeps taking out printouts and, puts pages in front of his face. Nikhil, relax. Ratan Sharda ji, we had a chance to send a Dalit or a person from OBC community. We missed that. The Congress is now, raising that question.
Arguments in a sequence so people understand what's going on. Udit Raj is not any ordinary person. Udit Raj is a highly educated person who is an official spokesperson of Congress. He's no less. Mr. Jain is not a Congress spokesperson. He can say anything. Who is the official spokesperson? Udit Raj. He says something like, Auntie ji bagal mein baithe hai, mere bacche ko bhi le jaate. Right? So here is a person who says, see, this says कि भाई राहुल गांधी के आर्गुमेंट को आगे बढ़ाना तो बढ़ा दो, शायद 2 नंबर और मिल जाएंगे, शायद कहीं ना कहीं राज्यसभा में सीट मिल जाए, कुछ और बन जाऊं मैं. So this is putting some kind of मस्का बाजी to Rahul Gandhi, who has this merit concept very clear in his head. He believes that there is no merit, no sense. Now coming to Shubhanshu Shukla. Who is Shubhanshu Shukla? He comes from Air Force. He doesn't come from Padosi ka bachcha. He's an Air Force person who qualified to reach this stage. ही सेड कोई क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं है। ही सेड अरे वो तो अमेरिका से हमने खरीद लिया था स्पेस फ्लाइट, किसी को भी बिठा देते। डज इट मीन दैट राकेश शर्मा वहां घूमने फिरने गए थे, दैट राकेश शर्मा वाज चोजन बिकॉज ब्राह्मण? This entire poisonous argument has to be thrown lock, stock and barrel on their face. They cannot defend saying समझ में नहीं आई, कम्युनिकेशन नहीं था। भैया कम्युनिकेशन का हेड है आपका उदित राज। कांग्रेस के पास बड़े बड़े कम्युनिकेशन किंग बैठे हैं। They are saying they don't understand. They are disservicing the army itself, where only merit works. You get in with a lot of hard work. It doesn't matter whether the person is a Dalit or a whatever he is.
Right.
He reaches the top based on purely on merit. By saying all this, and tell me why did Ambedkar was not allowed to rise? He wanted to become a minister because he was economic specialist. He was not allowed to become a minister. He was defeated twice in the elections. You say कि भैया दलितों को बढ़ने नहीं देते. Out of 80 years of this independent country, 70 years with the same secular Congress people. Why in their Raj these people could not rise to the top? It is under BJP that people are coming on the top.
That's a great point. In fact, Ratan Sharda ji, आपने जो last का point बोला है, what happened when Congress was in power? Look, Ravi Srivastava, listen to what Udit Raj has said. He says, I wonder, when Rakesh Sharma was sent for the first time, there weren't many educated people from SC, ST, OBC communities. How dare he say something like this? वो कौन है सर्टिफाइड करने वाले कि पढ़े लिखे कम थे?
Pranay, first of all, for whom Udit Raj is championing, are they not Indians? They are also Indians. They are also qualified. They also have got the skills. They could have, the process of selecting someone could have been more transparent and proven the whole country that we have selected the right person. We have taken him. Now here the issue is,
Okay.
he's a
Sir, Ravi
private
Srivastava जी,
aircraft.
how should the process have been? आप बता दीजिए. आप एक बताइए नेशनल टेलीविजन पे प्रोसेस क्या होना चाहिए था?
जो भी स्किल्ड मिलता उसको ले जाते वहां पे, क्या जरूरी था आशुतोष शुक्ला जी को ले जाने के लिए? दूसरी बात, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि ये जो आपका ये मेरिट टू इज फ्लॉड, यस सर, मेरिट इज एब्सोल्युटली फ्लॉड इन दिस कंट्री. जिस देश के अंदर 10 में से 8 एग्जाम के पेपर लीक होते हो, वहां मेरिट की बात करना बेवकूफी है. इट्स अ फुल थिंग टू कॉल दैट मेरिट. Because you don't have transparency neither in your selection process, nor your examination process, nor in looking at the right people. And you want only upper caste people everywhere. You have got 37 upper caste people at Thakur and Brahmins who are heading senior bureaucrat positions.
बता
in
दीजिए
UP.
हायर जुडिशरी में होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए?
Of this country from the
रवि श्रीवास्तव जी बताइए, हायर जुडिशरी में कोटा लगा देना चाहिए?
other Indians are not available there.
अदर इंडियंस
Why?
की क्या बात है? इस शुभांशु शुक्ला लेसर इंडियन देन उदित राज?